Hello, guys. Today, we will be asking AI to generate some random trains. Now, I'm gonna be using Meta AI. I get it, but AI is new, but let's see how it does. Alright, now before, I have asked it to generate some other trains, and they are pretty weird. I asked the AI to show me a picture of an Amtrak F40PH, and it gave me this. Um, like I was saying, what is this? I mean, at least they got the train coupler right. Now I asked it to generate a Phase 2 F40PH, and it gave me a rip-off turboliner. Um, yeah, I don't know what to say. And asked it to show a P42. It gave me a train that literally looks like it was made from Mercedes, bro. Look at this. Just look at this. It's just made by Mercedes or something. Well, anyways, I was getting so disappointed to the point where I asked, oh, wait. So, okay. This is not. Anyways, I asked it to generate the F40PH, but this time with its EMD stand, and it gave me this. Why? But then I decided to be more specific and tell it, can you show me a General Motors Electro Move Division? General Motors Electro Move Division F40PH in Phase 3 paint scheme. And it gave me this. It gave me this. This looks like a Temu version of an E7 or an F7. But anyways, I made it. I was still getting so disappointed with the AI. It was to the point where I asked it to generate a steam locomotive. And it actually did pretty good. Now, let's ask Meta AI to generate some more trains. Now, as you can see here, I typed in, can you show me a picture of an EMDF ST70 Ace? Let's see how it does. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's give it some time. This is not it. This is nowhere near an ST70 Ace. This is a steam locomotive that doesn't even exist. I don't even know what this is. What is this part? Why is one of the pieces connected to the rails? Okay. Now I'm gonna say, BNSF. Yes, BNSF. I'm pretty sure that Meta AI knows about it. Hold up, why did it actually cook? But anyways, why? What? How many engines is it pulling? I mean, it kind of looks like an ST70 Ace, but why is the exhaust right there? And how many engines does it need? It must be pulling like a 500,000 mile load. And that's how much engines it needs, but geez, that's cursed. Now, what I have typed in here is, can you show me an Siemens ACS 64? I think the AI could get it correct this time, right? Right? Alright, anyways, let's generate it in 3, 2, 1. Alright. I am worried. What the frick? This locomotive, the ACS-64 is not Russian. What is this? First of all, everything wrong with is everything is wrong about this locomotive. This is nowhere near the ACS-64. And second, why is its front cab? Why is its cab so small? The train looks smaller itself. Hold on, let me be more specific. Alright. Now I decided to be more specific. Let's see how it does. What the frick? What the frick? What is this? 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 What? Now I'm gonna decide to make the Meta AI generate a GEVO in Norfolk Southern, and I do not know if I spelled Norfolk correctly, but here you go. In 3, 2, 1. Excuse me. What is this? What does this even say? It's so what are these windshield wipers? These are not even windshield wipers. But alright, on to the next train. Alright, this is the last this is the last question that I'm gonna ask Meta AI to generate a Amtrak AM7. Now, I'm being more specific, and I told it to make it pull passenger cars. Alright. In 3, 2, 1. It literally knows, the AI literally knows all the information about the AM7, but does not know what it looks like, so it just generates the most random image. Now I get that, but it's not no bullet train Meta AI. Alright, now that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like my channel, like this video, and subscribe if you want. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.